Hi guys, this video is going to talk you through how to access your ELA diagnostic test in iXL. We will be visiting this from time to time this year because that diagnostic test has to be updated frequently for it to be accurate to your level. So we always want to make sure we have our baseline and we know what level you're working at and how we can help you based on that. So when you first log in, you're going to get to this screen that has recommendations, and you'll see maybe the star of things, skills suggested by your teachers, which is something you might visit at another time. But you're going to go up to the green bar here where you see the three main choices of learning, diagnostic, and analytics, and today we're going to go to diagnostic. You're going to see that you have a choice of, it asks you to step in the arena, but you're going to see that it shows you right away that you have a choice of math or language arts. And you can see that for this student, some of those are already showing levels here, or at least a range of levels. But some of them have, because the test hasn't been taken for a while, needs to be updated. So you need to do a few more questions to help the system understand where you're working right now. So you want to press Step into the Arena. And when you go there, you might notice that you're going to have a choice of questions to start, whichever you prefer. Before we do that, because I'm being selfish as an ELA teacher, I want you to work on the ELA diagnostic right now, the English diagnostic. And so to make sure that you're only getting English questions, I need you to go up here to the right where you see that there's a little sign that has two arrows circling each other, and there's a little drop-down box. You're going to drop down that box and you're going to select just language arts because I want you to be working on just the language arts assessment right now. From that, then you will get another choice to start of which questions you would like to start with this time. Each time we work on a diagnostic, we're probably going to ask you to work on it for about 15 or 20 minutes to give it a good update, just so that it keeps track of where your levels are and that we're offering you the best instruction at your own level that we can provide. If you have any questions about how to access the diagnostic test for language arts, please contact your English teacher for more help.